11. Bone broth. If you crave something light and warming, bone broth makes a perhaps unexpected but tasty snack option for keto dieters. Unlike traditional broth, bone broths are cooked longer and typically contain more protein. Some commercially prepared bone broths contain up to 10 grams of protein per cup, 240 milliliters. Bone broths don't typically contain much fat, but you can easily augment this by adding coconut oil, butter, or ghee. You can make your own bone broth on the stove top or with a slow cooker or pressure cooker. Make a big batch and freeze it in individual servings that are easy to heat up when you crave a warm, comforting snack. If you opt for a commercially prepared brand, be sure to check the ingredient label, as some of them contain added sweeteners and are high in sodium. 12. Keto smoothies. If you follow a keto diet and thought smoothies would be forever off limits due to their typically high carb content, you're in luck. You can make keto-friendly smoothies using coconut, avocado, and nut butter as a base to boost fat content and provide a creamy texture. Small amounts of low-carb fruits, such as berries, lime, or lemon, may be used in a keto smoothie, but you should also include nutrient-dense veggies like spinach, cucumber, kale, or jicama. Other flavorful additions are cacao, cinnamon, vanilla extract, flavored protein powders. If you're looking for something sweet, you can add a keto-approved sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. 13. Mixed nuts. Nuts are full of protein, fat, fiber, and plant compounds that offer a variety of health benefits. In fact, some research associates a higher intake of nuts with a reduced risk for heart disease and cancer-related death. A quarter cup, 28 grams, of mixed nuts provides approximately 15 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. You can buy pre-packaged mixed nuts or build your own mix using your favorites. If you go for the pre-made option, be sure to check the label for any added ingredients that don't fit into your diet plan. Almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pistachios, walnuts, and pecans are good options for your own keto-friendly trail mix. Other nutritious additions are sunflower seeds, hemp hearts, cacao nibs, coconut. 14. Fermented vegetables. Fermented vegetables, or pickles, are a great keto snack option. Research suggests that eating fermented foods that contain beneficial bacteria may promote healthy digestive function and reduce your risk for diabetes and heart disease. Fermented vegetables can be purchased or made at home. You can ferment almost any type of vegetable, including cabbage, cucumbers, carrots, cauliflower, beets, green beans. For added fat, pair your fermented veggie snack with herbed full-fat creme fraiche. It's important to note that pickles containing vinegar, or are pasteurized, don't contain any live probiotics. This applies to most, if not all, commercially sold pickles. 15. Olives. Olives have long been praised for their rich supply of heart-healthy fats, which is just one reason why they make a great keto snack. Olives also contain vitamin E, fiber, and other health-promoting plant compounds that may reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases like osteoporosis. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram serving of olives provides roughly 145 calories, 15 grams of fat, and 4 grams of carbs, almost all of which come from fiber. You can enjoy them plain or stuff them with feta or gorgonzola cheese to add some extra fat. 16. Fat bombs. Fat bomb is a term people on the keto diet coined to describe low-carb, dessert-style energy bites that satisfy your sweet tooth. Fat bombs are often made using coconut oil, nut butter, avocado, or cream cheese as the base. Other ingredients are added to create delicious flavor profiles. Dark chocolate and peanut butter is a popular combination, but the possibilities are limitless. You can purchase these delicious, portable snacks or make them at home. 17. Buffalo cauliflower bites. Try a healthy, vegetarian twist on classic buffalo wings by swapping the chicken for fiber-rich cauliflower. In addition to fiber, cauliflower contains vitamin C and other antioxidant compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and to promote your health. To make these tasty wings, toss chopped cauliflower with your favorite buffalo sauce and melted butter. Roast in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or, if you have an air fryer, now is the time to put it to work. Serve with carrot sticks and a side of ranch or blue cheese dressing to complete your buffalo wing experience. 18. Flax crackers with cheese. For many keto dieters, crackers are usually off the menu, but they don't have to be. Ground flax seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fats, and they make a great base for keto-friendly crackers. Pair the crackers with sliced cheese, and you've got a healthy and delicious keto snack that requires very little preparation. You can make flax crackers yourself or skip the baking process and buy a bag instead. 19. Coconut yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which can support healthy digestive function. Coconut yogurt has been making waves as a popular dairy-free alternative to traditional yogurt, and some types are also suitable for a ketogenic diet. 20. Stuffed mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in carbs and provide important nutrients, including selenium, potassium, vitamin D, and several B vitamins. For a tasty keto snack, try stuffing button mushroom caps with herbed cream cheese or ground sausage. For a different twist, turn portobello mushroom caps into mini margarita pizzas by stuffing them with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil before baking until tender and golden. 21. Meatball sliders. Traditional meatball sandwiches are high in carbs because of the bun. However, you can replace the bun with lettuce for keto meatball sliders. Mix your favorite ground meat with eggs, garlic, herbs, and Parmesan cheese, shape into balls, and bake. These keto-friendly meatballs can be eaten right away or frozen for later. When you're ready to dig in, place the meatballs in the lettuce buns for a high-protein, low-carb snack. For an extra dose of fat, serve them with a tomato garlic aioli for dipping. The bottom line: it can be difficult to find keto-friendly snacks that aren't only tasty but also healthy. Fortunately, there are a variety of delicious homemade and store-bought options from which to choose. Try them all, or pick the ones that best fit your taste and lifestyle. Thanks for watching.